Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to install RStudio on your Mac. So first of all, just Google RStudio and you will stumble upon this kind of web page wherein you will see a lot of links. So click on the first one. If you'll open that, you will read about what RStudio is essentially, and what are the different types of RStudio options. So we will be choosing the free one because we love free, and if you want to spend some money you can do that as well. So there are certain different features for each of them. So click on download RStudio desktop. So if you click on download RStudio, then so first of all, have you installed R? If not, then you have to install R as well. So download R for macOS, and then here we will be installing it for our old MacBook Pro. So it should be for all older Intel Macs. Once you have started downloading, and you can just run that package. So pkg is executable file, so you will be able to execute that. And if you're using Windows or any other OS, then you can download the respective versions for your machine. So this is how the installer looks like. So click on continue, agree, and so everything will be standard. Yeah, so it is asking for password. Let's see if it takes. Yeah, so we'll have to type the password. So once you have entered the password, then you can just continue doing that, and it will be writing all the files, and it will be done within a few minutes, and then the installation was successful. So now you have installed your R. Now we will be going to RStudio again, and we'll be downloading the RStudio for our macOS. So this will be a DMG file that will be downloaded. So once it has downloaded, you will be opening this file. So it takes a few seconds, and once it is done, you can just open the RStudio file, and you can just move this RStudio to your applications folder. Once it is downloaded, you will be able to open RStudio on your machine. Now it is copied to the applications. Now you will be opening RStudio. And this is how the RStudio looks like. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.